Prepare. Three, two, one. Three, two, one.
Yes. One.
Three, two, one.
Number two.
Three, two, one.
That's number two. Tata Boy Chavez. Work out to the front.
Three, two, one. Three, two, one. Three, two, one.
That was number five. 30 seconds work. 30 seconds jump.
Three, two, one.
76. That was the 6th minute.
Three, two, one.
This is number 7. Divisil twist. seals, twist. Navy seals, twist.
3,
Navy seals,
2, 1.
twist. Thirty seconds. Shag.
3, 2, 1.
This number 8. Navy seals, sides. Navy seals, sides. Navy seals, sides.
3, 3, 2, 1.
This exercise, number 9. Deep, reach, deep, reach. Deep, reach, deep, reach. Deep, reach,
3,
deep,
1.
reach. That was number 9. So that was number 9.
3, 2, 1.
Number 10. Deep, side, side. Deep, side, side. Deep, side, side.
3, 2, 1.
So it was our round number 1. Our first 10 minutes.
Three, two, one.
One round 2. Single dip.
Three, two, one.
Burpee number 1. Round 2.
Three, two, one.
Bodybuilder. Bodybuilder.
Three, two, one.
Breast. Okay, number 3. Round 2.
3, 2, 1.
30 seconds left. So technically, for the first, we jog. 30 seconds rest or jog. 30 seconds burpees.
3, 2, 1.
Number 4, round 2.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Number 5, round 2.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Number 6, round 2. Heavy sets.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Number 7, round 2. Wrist. Wrist.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Number 8, round 2. BBC side.
3, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Number 9, round 2. Deep, reach. Deep, reach. Deep, reach. Deep, reach. Deep,
3,
reach.
2,
Deep,
1.
reach. It was our 19th minute. 19 minutes.
Three, two, one.
Number 10. Number 10, round 2. Number 10, round 2. Deep, side, side. Deep, side, side.
3,
Side,
2,
side.
1.
Round 2 is done. Round 2. Last round, round number 3.
Three, two, one.
One, round 3. Slowly.
Three, two, one. 3, 2, 1.
Number 2, round 3.
Three, two, one.
22 minutes.
Three, two, one.
Number 3, round 3.
Three, two, one.
23 minutes.
2, 1.
Number 4, round 3.
3, 2, 1.
24 minutes of 30. 24 minutes.
Three, two, one.
Round 5, number 5, round 3.
3, 2, 1.
25 minutes.
Three, two, one.
Number 6, round 3. Heavy 6.
3, 2, 1.
26 minutes. Wrist. Wrist. Heavy 6. Wrist.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
Wrist size.
3, 2, 1.
Last 2 exercises.
3, 2, 1.
Deep. Reach. Deep. reach, dip, dip, reach, dip, reach. Dip, reach, dip,
3,
reach.
2, 1.
Of round number 3. So we'll have, I think the last one, if we have counted it correctly. If not, we'll extend for 1 minute. So, 10 burpees, 10 different burpees in 3 rounds for 30 minutes. Okay. Dip, side, side. Dip, side, side. Dip, side, side.
3, 2, 1.
Side. So I think we didn't count correctly, so we'll have the last round. Last round for. Okay, we'll have a
3, 2,
conventional
1.
burpees. Let's go.
Three,
Check.
2, 1.
That was 30 minutes. 10 different burpees. So again, it was 30 minutes. 10 different burpees. I'll demonstrate each one so that you can also do it later on when you watch this live, because this will be uploaded after the processing of the video. So we'll start with burpee number 1. One dip. So it's like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is the first one. And the second one is called bodybuilder. So let's demonstrate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So again, burpee number 2, or some call it as bodybuilder. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's burpee number 2. Burpee number 3 is woohoo! Taboy Chavez, workout bro. Okay, so burpee number 3. So the side to side. So it's done like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 counts. So it's done like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that was working number 3, side to side. Number 4 is kick out. Number 4 is kick out. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like here. 6, 7, 8. So again, kick out. Burpee number 4. Burpee number 4, kick out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just start here. 6, 7, 8. That was burpee number 4. Number 5. Okay, number 5 is half burpee. So here it is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so it's burpee number 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's burpee number 5, 8 counts. And our burpee number 6 is Navy SEAL. So 6, 7, 8 are Navy SEALs. So burpee number 6 Navy SEALs. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So Navy SEAL, burpee number 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Another Navy SEAL, burpee number 7. So here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again, burpee number 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that was burpee number 7. Burpee number 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So burpee number 8, Navy SEAL variation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So burpee number 8. So burpee number 9, actually part will be to some to a commando burpee. But we only take the deep and reach. Deep, reach, point to the sky. Deep, reach, point to the sky. So let's do it. Burpee number 9 is exactly done like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 more or less. So again, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is burpee number 9. Okay, the last one is more or less intermediate. So for number 10, you have to have a little bit of training and some strength. So side to side push. Okay, side to side push. Okay, that's it. Number 10, burpee number 10. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that was our burpee number 10. So we had 10 burpee variations, 1 minute routine per each. So in that minute, we have 30 seconds of work and 30 seconds of rest. Now, for the rest, if you still have that energy and stamina, you may jog in place. But if you are catching your breath, you can take that as a rest, but definitely you have to move your body to keep your body warm. So again, 30 seconds work and then 30 seconds rest within 1 minute. So we have 10 burpee routines, so multiplied by 10 or 10 minutes. So each round is 10 minutes. We had 3 rounds for this session, so it means that we more or less work for 30 minutes. Now, the good thing about this is it keeps your heart pumping, helping you with metabolism, enhancing your endurance, stamina, coupled with good breathing. So it's good for your heart, the pulse rate, your blood pumping, your body's warm, you're sweating, and yeah, it's good for your lungs, and it's good for your body as a whole, because burpee once again is a complete body workout, everything from head to toe, moving your head, you're analyzing, you're recalculating, at the same time your body is moving, especially your triceps are being used a lot, it's being targeted. So you have to make sure that you have to move your good form is very important above everything. It's good for your back, it's good for your chest, it's good for your triceps, it's good for the entire arms. It's good for your back, your legs, everything is moving and it's really good for you. Yeah, it's really good for you. So burpees actually. So I haven't checked my latest weight, but tell you, I got serious about burpees for 2 months already, and that during the time I was weighing 69 kilograms. So right now I'm just 57 kilograms. I still have this last layer of fats which I need to really work for it. So I have started it. I have started since June, but I was very serious about burpees in 2 months already. So like I started last September 14 or 15. And it's already like it's November 20, so 1 month, 2 months rather. So burpee actually is very good. I think it's the ultimate, if not the best, the best workout to lose weight. So you think that some of those that I have executed are intermediate already, I will have to make sure that I will have to give you later on same live stream, a simple burpee, half burpee or without the dips, or you just, I will do it for everyone's consumption. Right there. I'm so happy that you're here watching the live stream. And if you think that this is beneficial to you, please like, subscribe, share, comment something that will make me improve and will make everyone improve in our community. Living healthy, staying healthy, and embracing the positive energy. Okay? So thank you for watching. That was our 30 minutes live burpee workout. 10 different burpees in 3 rounds, making it 30 minutes. And by 30 minutes, you're more or less burning 400 to 500 calories on top of what you eat. So every day you're burning 400 calories. That will really matter. Right. So that being said, I'd like to say thank you once again for watching this live stream. Hopefully that many will be watching later on, many of our friends, because I'm sure that what I'm sharing to you is useful to you and useful to your friends and family. Okay. So, thank you for watching and have a nice weekend. Stay safe. COVID is still there. So when you're out, wear your face mask, your face shield, and observe social distancing. Take a bath as frequent as possible, and then wash your hands. Observe the best hygiene that you can observe. Thank you once again. This is Vicente Mendoza of Psycho Decor. This is our fitness edition. That we will be doing the draws, photography, doing the bonsai, taking care of our plants, everything we can do it here. As long as it's good for everyone. Bye, and see you in our next live stream and video. Thank you for sharing and subscribing. Bye.